First Mover Americas, interest in staking Ether ramps up. The latest price moves in crypto markets in context for May 23, 2023. This article originally appeared in First Mover, CoinDesk's daily newsletter, putting the latest moves in crypto markets in context. Subscribe to get it in your inbox every day. Latest prices, top stories. Interest in staking Ether, i.e., locking coins in the Ethereum network to earn passive yield, has surged since implementation of the Shapella, or Shanghai upgrade on April 12. Data tracked by Glassnode shows more than 4.4 million coins have been deposited into the staking contract since April 12, taking the total amount of staked tokens to 22.58 million. The surge in demand for staking probably originates from large Ether holders, who prefer not to liquidate their holdings and instead seek to generate passive income, analysts at Bitfinex said in a weekly report shared with CoinDesk Tuesday. Cryptocurrency exchange OKX is targeting France as a regional hub in Europe, with plans to hire around 100 people there in the next 3 years. The Seychelles-based firm has filed an application to become registered as a digital asset service provider, DASP, looking to join 74 other companies that have so far won regulatory approval from that country's Financial Markets Authority. It plans to establish a substantial physical presence in France, said Tan Bian, the company's head of global government relations. France last year emerged as the destination of choice for Binance as a European Union hub following its DASP registration. MicroStrategy, MSTR, represents an attractive. Follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.